Also new this morning, a man now in custody after Adams police found him trespassing with stolen copper wires in his backpack. On Wednesday morning, police in Adams were conducting a building check of an industrial complex on Harmony Street. Now, this building has been broken into before, and officers have heard reports of people jumping the barbed wire fence to remove property. And while an officer was conducting that check yesterday, he says he saw a man who had trespassed inside with a backpack full of stolen copper wire. He was quickly taken into custody and has been arraigned on breaking and entering related charges.